Building a website used to require coding, design skills, and a lot of setup time. But now platforms like Gamma AI can help you create simple AI-powered websites and web pages in just minutes using prompts and templates. So in this guide, I'll show you how to create AI websites with Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button and choose the Web Page or Web Style Presentation option. Now type a detailed prompt explaining the type of website you want to create, so you can describe the business, audience, style, sections, and goals of the website. After entering the prompt, click Generate and let Gamma AI automatically create the page layout, sections, and content. And honestly, the best AI-generated websites usually focus on clean structure and simple messaging instead of complicated design. Organized layouts almost always create a more professional result. And that's your full guide on how to create AI websites with Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to build modern web pages faster using AI tools and no-code design features.